Capital One Platinum Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if the credit card you open this year quietly determines how fast your credit score grows, how easily you qualify for loans, and how much interest you end up paying over the next 5 years? And most people never even realize that decision mattered. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Understanding the Capital One Platinum Credit Card in 2025 could be one of the smartest financial moves you make. The Capital One Platinum Card has been around for a long time, and that is not an accident. It is designed to do one thing extremely well: give people a clean, simple, low-stress way to build or rebuild credit. It does not chase flashy rewards. It does not distract you with complicated bonus categories. Instead, it focuses on accessibility, consistency, and long-term credit health. And the surprising truth about the Capital One Platinum Card is that its simplicity is exactly what makes it powerful. So let's slow down and walk through what this card really offers, who it is for, how it works, and how to decide if it deserves a place in your wallet in 2025. The Capital One Platinum Card is aimed at people with fair or limited credit. This includes people who are new to credit, people who had past financial mistakes, and people who are in the process of rebuilding. Approval odds are higher than with many traditional bank cards. Capital One is known for giving second chances. One of the biggest advantages of this card is that there is no annual fee. This alone sets it apart from many subprime and rebuilding cards that charge high annual and monthly fees. This means you are not paying just to keep your account open. The starting credit limit is usually modest. Many cardholders begin with limits around $300 to $1,000, but Capital One offers automatic credit line reviews, and many users receive limit increases after a few months of on-time payments. These increases are not guaranteed, but they are common. Interest rates are typical for cards aimed at fair credit. They are not the lowest in the industry, but they are also not as extreme as many subprime products. Still, the goal should always be to pay your balance in full each month and avoid interest entirely. Now let's talk about the real power of this card: credit reporting and behavior tracking. Capital One reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. Every on-time payment, every low balance, and every month your account stays in good standing is building your credit profile. Over time, this consistency becomes visible to lenders. You won't believe what happens next for many people who use this card correctly. Within 6 to 12 months, it is common to see noticeable credit score increases. Many cardholders become eligible for better cards, better loan rates, and more financial flexibility. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a woman named Maria. Maria had a credit score around 570 due to missed payments from years ago. She was approved for the Capital One Platinum Card with a $500 limit. She used the card only for groceries and paid it in full every month. After 6 months, she received a credit limit increase to $800. After 1 year, her credit score rose above 650. She then qualified for a rewards card. Capital One Platinum did exactly what it was designed to do. Now imagine a man named David. David also got approved. He maxed out his card. He carried balances. He missed a payment. His score barely improved. This shows the surprising truth. The card amplifies your habits. Good habits create growth. Bad habits slow you down. The Capital One Platinum Card does not offer rewards. There is no cashback, no points, no travel perks. This is intentional. It keeps you focused on credit health rather than spending for bonuses. Customer service with Capital One is generally strong. Online and mobile account management is one of the best in the industry. You can easily track balances, due dates, payments, and credit score updates. Capital One even provides free credit score monitoring tools, which help you stay motivated and informed. Now let's answer the main question: is the Capital One Platinum Credit Card worth it in 2025? For people who are new to credit or rebuilding, the answer is a strong yes. It is one of the safest, simplest, and lowest cost ways to build positive credit history. It does not trap you with fees. It does not distract you with gimmicks. It gives you a clean slate. It is not ideal for people who already have good or excellent credit and want rewards. Those users should look at Capital One's rewards cards instead. Here is a smart way to use the Capital One Platinum Card. Use it for 1 or 2 small monthly expenses. Pay in full every month. Watch for automatic credit limit increases. Track your credit score. After 12 to 18 months, apply for a rewards card with better benefits. Most people get this wrong by treating starter cards as permanent cards. They are not. They are training tools. So should you choose Capital One Platinum or leave it? If you are rebuilding, starting fresh, or want a simple, no-fee path to better credit, it is absolutely worth it in 2025. It can quietly become the foundation of your financial recovery and growth. Your credit story is still being written. Capital One Platinum can help you write a stronger next chapter. If this review helped you understand the Capital One Platinum card more clearly, make sure you stay connected for more honest financial guidance. Your next choice can move you closer to freedom. Choose wisely and build forward.